Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a neon cat. First, I need some acorns because I'm not bothered to do it. So first I'm going to do with my fully grown, fully Black Panther and age up. I've only got one full grown dog. I'll show it to you. It's right here. Right here. So yes, and as you all know, it's 2 times. And I am gonna go to the thing next to grocery store. I'm putting it some codes while I get some. That is not grocery store. Think of the code because I do have them ingrained in my mind sometimes. Oh, guys. He's like, I'm drinking. Okay. Okay, I got one. Simply this one. Oh, that one has expired. Close right now instead of that one, but that one's expired. So, oh, my pet has got some tasks. No, Okay, I'm gonna go to the beach party. Okay, just making sure. Cause like there's a new area over there. I'll show you the new area in a minute. Cause like I don't know which one's the beach party. That one I'm not gonna know. Cause like yes, so I haven't posted in a while. It's just like things have been busy at school and stuff like that. So now I don't really have much subscribers, but I really do love you guys, and I hope you live. I hope you live the day, make your day so far. Because in England, it is 4:54. So yes. I found it. Oh, inventory check. I totally forgot. So I got some new stuff. Like and subscribe, and comment down your dream pets if you did it. As you can see, it's almost finished. Obviously, guys, you need a full-grown pet and a friendship level to go up. So you can get age up programs if you don't want to do it. And now I'm going to show you the other thing. Alright, I'm going to go over here. Guys, don't know what I'm on about. I'll show you. It's over here. Oh, never mind, guys. So I'm just gonna drive around. I'm not good driver. And I don't know. I can't make them like a new pet. I'm gonna hatch an egg, but I'm gonna hatch an egg later. It's 10:60 minutes at my friend's house. 60 minutes will be like, yeah, my friend's still on, luckily. She's been on for about 30 minutes or an hour. Because like she left, we wouldn't be able to do this task, so I'll give you a tour of my friend's house. She might be in it. I'm gonna TP to her. Teleport. If you don't know what that means, it's just a short thing for teleport. What can you do that? Guys, we're gonna find our house one way or another, because like I want to complete this task. You're gonna be my pony. Yes. Okay. She's my friend, so she better be close. There's none of these money houses, I don't think. Like windows over there. Go down the way. There we go. Come on, we're gonna give you a shower while we're there. This is my friend's house, guys. Okay, so I'll give you a tour. So, this room's empty. So basically, I gave her a pet yesterday, and it's this. I gave her it yesterday for the Black Panther and stuff. And the ones as well. The house is really nice. I love my house. I'll give you a house tour later. If you have a shower. That's my costume. So yeah, that's a room tour. Dog. And I'll cut the bits out if I don't have the shower. Doctors before you go anywhere is the Black Panther. Guys, comment what should name my Black Panther. Because I don't know what to call it. Like, I don't know what to call my Black Panther. And also, I'm gonna say this every of my videos now. Make sure to like and subscribe to me if you're a fan. And also, like and subscribe to Next Misty. I'm Sana. Rudy Unicorn Twins. And Fishy Fox and Fishy Cooker, because they're really good Adopt Me YouTubers. And if you're into Adopt Me, I think you would like this opinion. Something special. Yeah. If I was a better YouTuber, I would, yeah. So ugly. I'm gonna go to work so I can earn some money. chocolate. Okay, 2 more to go. And I've got 1 knee, 2 fully grown, and 3 newborns left. But I need 2 more, so. Let's see if we can do some training. See this skateboard. It said on there, but I thought about it for the second time, and I don't think the skateboard's worth it. Yeah, no, you need the black hamster. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Cause like my iPad's on 13%, and yeah. So hope you have a good rest of your day.